Hello world, I'm Saint Dev Guy. While making this game, I'm trying to stream everything I can, even the painful slow bits, just to go through the experience of making a game and watching other people do it. There's one thing I don't do while streaming, and I don't do tutorials. I've done tutorials, for example, learning Blender, I did the donut, and then I did a rigging tutorial. And after I'm done with the tutorials, I tend to take my own projects and see if I can do it. For example, after a marble tutorial, I made this marble chessboard and put the different kinds of marbles in the squares. Eventually I would go back and do the pieces too. However, to do a tutorial, what I tend to do, I tend to go through the tutorial, and every time the tutorial person does something, I pause the video and I do it myself. Sometimes I have to listen to what they've done 2 or 3 times. This does not make for fun watching, I believe. So I do that off stream. So when I get on stream, in theory, I actually know everything in that tutorial. Practice has proven that some of the tutorials I've done a while ago and I have struggled a little bit to remember, so I do searches now and then to try to remember something that I know is possible, but I haven't done it in a while. The other things I don't do my video editing. It's not really part of making the game until I start to make a trailer for the game, and then I will do the video editing for the trailer on stream. I also don't do social media posts on stream until and if I end up having a social media presence for the game itself, and then I would possibly do some of that on stream, although I would have to be very careful about anyone who replies or anything else to make sure I'm not exposing something. Well, it would be public, but definitely make sure I don't expose something someone else would not want to see. But yeah, most of it I'm actually trying to do on stream, just to have a record and a demonstration of this is what it's like to make a game after 35 years of computer programming. None of it really which involved game making. I'm looking forward to get to the programming part eventually, which is what I have the most experience at, or the user interface part. I'm pretty good at those too. Until then, stop by the stream and say hi if you want, and otherwise, stay sane, everyone.